Hey y'all, we are doing a tutorial and review today. I picked up the Morphe 9D Painted Desert palette. I seen this online. Apparently it was new, so I was like, okay, I'm going to give this one a shot. I haven't had the best luck with these 9-pan Morphe palettes, but these colors really spoke to me. So I wanted to give it a try. This is what we've got today. I know I have a bold eye and a bold lip, but that's the way I'm feeling today, okay? It's like I'm just feeling it today. So we get into all the details of this, how it works. You guys see how it works, if it blends well, if it's pigmented, all that stuff. So if you guys want to know how this works and if I like it, wait a minute, I have something else to tell you guys. The next video that is going up, I have a surprise for you guys. It might be a giveaway, so don't forget to watch the next video. I wanted to do that one today, but I ended up really wanting to use this. So don't forget to watch that next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, please subscribe, click that bell, and like this video. And let's get into it. So you get a little card like this in here. You know we're not using that. So I'm just going to point to what we're using today. And we're first going to start out with this guy right here. You have a nice big mirror in the palette right there. And I'm just going to start kind of building this up to use it as our transition shade. And it's actually a lot more pigmented than I expected. I've not had the best of luck with these Morphe palettes, so this one was just so pretty that I had to give it a try. I had to. So I'm just doing back and forth, and circular motions. Yeah, this shade's building up nicely. If you want to do a really quick look, this would be a really beautiful shade, especially if you have lighter skin. But even if you don't have lighter skin, like, it definitely shows up. Definitely. Just gonna kind of pull that up a little bit more. Now we're gonna go with this middle shade right here. I want to use this yellow, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it in this one because it's like, I think these three shades right here would be beautiful together, but I really want to use that kind of pinky color. I might have to switch my brush. Wow. Wow, Morphe. Holy cow, that is pigmented. And this is even a synthetic brush. Wowie wow. Wow. That is so much more pigmented than I expected. Let me grab a different packing brush really quick. That'll help to where I can get it laid down a lot easier than the one I'm using right now. That one is more of a blending brush. So I'm just gonna get it on there and then I'll start to blend it out. Like I can't, like what? All right, now I'm gonna grab that first brush I had and start blending it out. This shade would be so beautiful all over the lid. Like, holy cow. And of course, when you blend it, you are gonna lose a little bit of the pigment. So I will just build that back up. But I want to get it blended out. And then just build it back up. That is insane. Like, I've talked a lot of crap about these 9-pan palettes from Morphe because I've tried several of them and they weren't near as good as their big palettes, but this one is knocking my socks off. Like, what? Like, this color is just stunning. I am gonna grab this yellow and I'm gonna try to run it right along the edges of the bright shade there. Like, a lot of yellows don't really work for transitions. It's kind of like they need to be packed on the lid. But this one's a little bit darker, and I like that. All right. I'm going to add in just a smidge of that beautiful, like, on camera, it looks a little, oh, sorry guys. I'm not going in with the deepest brown. I'm going with the one in the middle. Oh, it's been a rough day. So I'm just going to put this on the very outer corner. This is more of like a milk chocolate brown. Wow. I am so sorry, Morphe. The last few I've tried were not good. This one is bomb. All right, I'm gonna do some swatches really quick. See which shimmer I wanna use. Now, the shimmer in these palettes, the metallics, they do feel different than the ones in the bigger palettes. The ones in the bigger palettes feel a bit more wet, a bit more smooth. These are a little bit drier, but nonetheless beautiful. Beautiful. So where I use the pink, I don't want to use the pink on my lid. So I think we're gonna go in with this guy right here. And I want the pink to be the star of the show. So I'm not gonna use too much. I'm gonna kind of leave this more understated and really focus on that pink color. If you cut the crease and then put this over it, it would really pop. I'm gonna grab that pink there and kind of go at an angle and just make that even more boom. I'm gonna grab a really pointed pencil brush and go in with that shade and highlight our inner corner. And this is friggin' beautiful. The only thing that's not in here is a brow bone highlight. I normally prefer a matte brow bone highlight. So I'm gonna grab just a cream shade from another palette. I'll throw that up there. And I'm going to go off camera. So sorry, my head's itching. I have the driest scalp right now. I don't know what is going on. But I'm gonna go off camera, do this eye, throw on the face, and we'll be back for that lower lash line. And this was so easy, you guys, like so easy. I am ecstatic with this palette right now. So I will see you guys in just a minute. You thought I was gonna do a nude lip, didn't you? I know you did. Nope, not today, ladies. I even put my hair up like this, like up top, because it makes me feel bitchy. Like it's just, I don't know why. But this is what we've got. I accidentally went ahead and did the lower lash line. So all I did was I used one brush, this fat pencil brush. I went in with this dark brown, took it halfway in. Then this chocolatey brown, kind of a reddy brown right here. I ran it just a little lower and took it about halfway in. And then our strawberry color, I ran all the way from inner to outer. And you guys, I am legitimately loving this look. I haven't done a look like this in a long time where like it just makes you feel good. Like it just, oh, it just brings it out in you, and I love it. So this is the first 9-pan Morphe palette that I love. You guys know I love the bigger palettes, but these were not the same. This is the same. I will say that the shimmers aren't quite as good as the big palettes, but these mattes are flipping amazing. I mean, you guys seen it. Took me, okay, hold on. I know this is legit running everywhere. All right, we're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. But you guys seen me like, and I mean this strawberry color, it's a pinky red. It's a pretty hard color. Sorry, my dog was barking. It's a pretty hard color, and I mean this was so pigmented, blended out beautifully. But I do want to let you guys know some of these in this palette are pressed pigments. So this could potentially stain my eyes, stain your eyes, But to me, it's well worth it. I will, if it stains tomorrow, I will cover that with concealer and go on about my day. So this is totally worth it. I love this, you guys. So I highly recommend the 9D Artistry palette. If you guys want any more looks with this, let me know. If you guys have it, get it, do any looks, let me know. And watch out for the next video. I have a surprise for you guys, so don't forget to watch that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and review. If you did, subscribe, click that bell, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.